Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese quickly. Making fresh cheese at home is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You can create a delicious, soft cheese in less than 1 hour, perfect for a last-minute snack or a delightful addition to your meal. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the information to succeed. Get ready to impress yourself and your friends with your cheese-making skills. To start your quick cheese-making journey, you'll need just a few items. Grab 1 gallon of whole milk. Its higher fat content makes for richer cheese. For your acid, have 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or white vinegar ready. Essential tools include a large pot, a kitchen thermometer, a slotted spoon, and some cheesecloth draped over a colander for draining. Now for the fun part, making the cheese. First, slowly heat your gallon of milk in a large pot until it reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it hits that temperature, remove it from the heat. Gently stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see the magic happen as curds form and separate from the whey. After the curds have formed, it's time to drain them. Carefully pour the entire mixture into your cheesecloth-lined colander. Allow it to drain for about 15 to 20 minutes for a lovely, soft cheese. If you prefer a firmer texture, gently squeeze the cheesecloth to remove more whey. Finally, season your fresh, homemade cheese with a pinch of salt, and it's ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.